stop buying fruit you can't finish.
So today you're gonna find out how easy it is to make pie.
It is so buttery.
And stay till the end to find out how to make a pie that's 2-in-1. Hi humans, welcome back to Cook It Yourselves, where I'll teach you to cook it yourselves. Today we'll be making pie. I've got some leftover bananas, they are overripe, some peaches that have been in my fridge forever, and a brand new pie tin I've never used. But first, matcha. I've been crazy about matcha recently, and so I'm going to make some matcha in handmade bowl that I made myself. I love that smell. I love that froth. Come on, let's bring it on. Let's go. And these are the ingredients. On our right, we have 4 ingredients for the pie crust, and the rest here, therefore, the filling. Pie crust, 350 grams of flour. Pie crust, 250 grams of butter. Sugar, 20 grams. Cup of iced water to drink and to moisten. And now for the filling. Bananas, overripe. Peaches, old and crusty. 50 grams of sugar for the peaches. 10 grams of flour for the peaches. Vanilla essence, cinnamon, and ginger powder. I'm just gonna empty out 20 grams of sugar into our flour. Next, we're gonna cut up our butter into small cubes while it's still cold. And we're just going to pepper it all over the flour. Now that our butter's been cubed, we're gonna throw it into the flour. So we wanna be quick. We want our butter to still be cold, and then we're going to really incorporate that into the flour so that our flour gets to a pea-sized consistency. This is how you get your pie crust to be real flaky. Every granule of flour is now going to be coated with fat, and that's how we get it all flaky and buttery and nice. And now we get our hands dirty. Make sure that we press our butter and coat it with flour. Press and coat, press and coat, press and coat. I'm using salted butter right now, and that's why I don't need to add any salt. But if you're using unsalted butter, you should add a pinch of salt to really elevate the flavors. That would really make your pie crust really delicious. If you wanted to use a food processor, it's the same. Just make sure you don't over mix it. So now we're going to trickle in some water. Okay, stop. And we're going to keep mixing. Remember, we want a loose mix. We don't want to create gluten in this. We do not want a doughy crust. We don't want a bready crust. We want a flaky pie crust. See that? Okay, it's coming together slowly. Just gotta push it together. Push it together. Don't knead it. Push. 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 You know that Filipino dessert? That buttery... What is it called?
Cinderella?
I think it's a brand, right?
No, I know it's sugar. It's like, yeah, the sweet round one.
Yeah, those amazing. This smells like that. So this is the kind of texture that we want, okay? We're gonna let our pie crust rest right now while we get into our filling. We don't want to overwork it. We just want to put some cling wrap over it right now and come back to it later. Okay. So I've split the pie crust up into a smaller bowl and a bigger bowl, because of course one is going on the base of the pie and one on top. However much, I'm not going to weigh it, I'm just going to go by feel. You're cooking it for yourselves, you're not in a restaurant. You know what it is. And you already know it. ABC, always be cleaning. I love cleaning. And now we're going to start with the filling. We're going to start with the bananas first. We're just going to give it a peel. Peel. Hey, what was that song you were singing yesterday?
If you want to be happy for the rest of your life.
Rough chop. Oh no, no!
Banana on the loose. If you want to be happy for the rest of your life, never make a pretty woman your wife. Can you dance when I sing?
No. Touch my body. Chop bananas in a bowl. You know why I'm doing this 2-in-1 pie? It's precisely because I don't have enough bananas to make a full banana pie. I don't have enough peaches to make peach pie.
So it's not because you like variety?
No. But if you like variety, this video's for you. For the banana side of the pie, just some cinnamon, some vanilla essence. Thumbs up if you love cinnamon. Mix, mix, mix. Now our banana side is done. We're just gonna put it aside and we're gonna get started on the peaches.
Nato!
Now we're going in with the peaches. We're gonna skin them. There are a few different ways to do it, but my peaches are kind of ripe. So all I need to do is just take them out of their skin. That was dumb. You get what I mean, okay? You guys are gonna just skin the peaches. I should have scalded them. Oh well. This is a bit my way. A little bit of wastage, but it's fine. I did say this was an easy peasy recipe, so don't do this, okay guys. An easier way would be to score them in the middle, put them in hot water, and then in cold water, and then just pull them apart. Time for that though.
This ain't no Michelin star restaurant.
Yep, that's right. This is Cook It Yourselves.
This is the home stuff.
You always take it a bit too far.
Never make a pretty woman your wife.
This is real life. If you were rushing to take your kid to school, you're not gonna like score the peach, scald it. Yeah, just do this. You know what? It's pie. Nobody's gonna look inside. The peaches are finally done. Use the score and scald method in future. This was painful. Cinnamon, go by feel. Ginger powder, 50 grams of sugar. I think I'm only going to use 30 grams actually. And 10 grams of flour. Mix, mix, mix. I cut my nail a little too close. It hurts so bad. We're back with our pie crust. Now it has rested. It's feeling pretty pliable. Smells great. And we're gonna roll it out.
Wow.
Add a third and I'm done.
Move when we up the club.
Trying to keep everything. Start to roll. The cling wrap on the top. This is how we roll. Can you host a party with pie crust? That's freaking awesome. I like pie crust more than the filling actually. So usually I bake pies because I want to eat pie crust. What about you? Let me know in the comments, okay, what you guys think about pie crust. The worst thing in the world is when you eat a pie and the crust is dry AF. That pisses the hell out of me. What am I eating it for? Transfer it. Push it in. Don't worry about the sides that are not filled in. Okay, we're gonna take some from the top later and we're gonna mix it. Don't worry. Don't worry, I got you. Now I roll out the top. I'm just gonna take some on the sides and patch in the sides. This is why pie is great. You can do anything. It'll still come out looking and tasting great.
It ain't like a math equation.
It ain't. It truly ain't. I hate math.
I hate math.
And now we're gonna preheat our oven to 180 degrees like most of your bakes go. Let's come on around and we're gonna fill up our pie. But first, poke. Just so there's some like your pie base doesn't expand in the middle. Poke a face.
Shot.
Wait, we're seeing totally different songs. So now we're going to do a half and half pie. Drop P in the comments if you're team peach, and a B in the comments if you're team bananas.
I'm team bananas for sure.
Really?
Yeah?
I think I'm a peach pie kind of girl. Everything fits. If it fits, I sit. Half and half. Okay, they say always be cleaning. Now I'm just going to top the top over the top. It fits. It doesn't have to cover, it's fine. Your pie. But what you need to do, let it breathe. Some holes in there. There's some holes in this clip. There's some holes in this clip. There's some holes in this pie. I'm gonna do an egg wash because I think I want it a bit like golden brown. Egg wash is just egg in a bowl, whisked up with a fork. And what do you do with the leftover egg? You drink it all up. Just kidding, I'm gonna do that.
You're really disgusting.
You are disgusting.
You're disgusting.
ABC. Now we wait for our damn oven to preheat.
Told you to do it earlier. Yeah, move it down.
Oh shit. Just take a look at the pie. And now our pie goes in 20 minutes. Put like 25 and then we'll see.
Wouldn't you do less and more?
No, because I can use my eyes. See if it's ready. After 27 minutes, we are now going to take out our pie. Put it on a rack. We're gonna wait till it cools to room temp before we even cut into it. It's really jiggly and liquidy right now, so we want all the liquids to come together, gel together before we cut into it. We'll come back again. We're back and down to the final stretch. Come closer. The liquids have set. Look here. Do I want a slice of banana peach or banana peach? I'll go with banana peach. Oh my gosh, the crust. Wow. It's not better than I thought. It is so buttery. Oh my gosh. The sweetness is just perfect. I'm salivating while eating. This is so strange. You have no idea. Clean plate clap, for sure. This was honestly delectable. Cannot tell you how much I enjoyed it. I think I can finish half a pie in one sitting myself, and that could be what I'm gonna do tonight. Well, thank you for watching again. Hope you guys try this recipe out. This was amazing. Please let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.